So, started the inside project. Didn't get that much done. Took out this upper piece, like you saw. Got this trim, this is 5.5 inch trim. Got this in so I could get my final measurements. I have a mock-up on 3D, Shaper 3D for this, but I like to measure the actual thing because, you know, nothing can be square or plumb or flush or level or anything. So surprisingly, this wall is pretty plumb. And you saw me open up this wall just to, I didn't know what was running in there. Looks like some old plumbing and stuff, but when I cleared out, these idiots went and did the tile and essentially tiled in the trim around the house. So it's gonna be a disaster trying to redo some of this trim when we get to that. So I fought with it for a little bit. I'm not sure if I captured it all or not, but got it all out of there, and then I just could smell musty, moist air, so that's why I opened up that wall just to see what was in there, check it out. It's actually okay, everything's clean, everything's nice. Got it all back secured, put a little bit of extra bracing in there, and then just mudded it. Not gonna spend too much time on that rear wall. It's all gonna get covered by the built-in cabinet that's going in here. So I wanted to run my trim all the way from floor to the top. It's 93 inches, so almost a full 8-foot piece. But I wanted it to give me some gap. So obviously I have a little bit of gap between the fridge and the trim, but I wanted it to kind of gap me a little extra. And I'm trying to keep this open in the back so that, you know, although this is an in-cabinet wine fridge, I do want it to be able to circulate air through there. So for example, this is 31 inches now. I'm gonna build this box to 31. I'm gonna keep the counter off of this a little bit so that we have some movement in the top. It's got front breathability, and then there's a decent gap on the side right here, maybe 3/8 of an inch. But in the back it's larger, obviously, so didn't get a ton done on this one. It's Sunday, spent some time with the family yesterday. It's just been tired, it's been hot. So yeah, excited to have started this. On the next one, time permitting, getting some crazy stuff into work this week, but I want to start the cabinet build for this piece. I also got to get some power and some power cable, just like a it's a hot and a cold, geez Louise, I need to run an additional receptacle. So I'm going to do it off of this one and just go down to the bottom. And like I said, my cabinet, I'm just going to do that. Or, you know, it might be better to bring it to this side of the cabinet just so this plug is in this cavity. I'll play with that. I'm not sure yet how I want to do that, but I wanted to plug this in, let it start cooling. But yeah, so excited. A lot to come on this one. We're going to have floating shelves in here. On the top, I'm going to take that ceiling bubble light out and put either just one larger recess, maybe, you know, they call them pancake lights, just an LED, or I might do 3 small ones. I haven't decided just yet. I might do, you know, 1, 2, 3, all off the same one. They're low voltage. Have not decided that. I also wanted to build kind of a small glass cabinet, you know, just for glasses for right here. But the wife does not like that idea. She wants it all open, just with some floating shelves, maybe 3 floating shelves in here. I like that idea too. It's just, I thought a little, you know, cabinet right here would be nice, but it might just look better not to do that and just do the lights. Maybe we'll get into some LED lighting underneath each floating shelf. Who knows? We'll see how it goes. I'm not sure just yet. That's it for this one. Comments, what would you have done differently? You saw me pack out those corners. I don't know why they brought that thing down. I guess because this was like a closet. Just not a good use of space. And whoever did these floors, I'm cussing you for tiling in your trim. Like, it's so stupid and lazy. Anyways, that's it. What would you have done different? Comments down below. Cool. And I'll see you when I see you.